If you need to reset your MSN.com password and you want a quick, simple, step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your MSN password using Microsoft's password reset page, how to verify your account, and how to create a strong new password that you can use right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go directly to the Microsoft Password Reset page. This is the official place where you can recover access to your account safely. Once the page loads, you'll see a prompt asking for your account details. Type in the email address or account information linked to your MSN.com account, then click Next. After that, Microsoft will ask you to confirm your identity. This is an important security step because it helps make sure only you can reset the password. You'll usually see a few verification options, and you can choose the one that works best for you. In many cases, you can receive a temporary security code through your registered alternate email address or your phone number. Select the method you want to use, then check your email inbox or your phone for the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and make sure you check the correct account or device. Once you receive the code, type it carefully into the verification box on the reset page, then click Next. Now, you'll be able to create your new password. This part is really important because a strong password helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Create a new password that is at least 8 characters long and make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using anything too obvious like your name, birthday, or simple repeated patterns. After entering your new password, confirm it if the page asks you to, then save the changes. Once the reset is complete, you can go back to MSN or sign in to your Microsoft account with the new password you just created. If you ever forget this password again, the same process can usually help you regain access, as long as you still have access to your recovery email or phone number. That's why it's a good idea to keep your recovery information up to date whenever possible. And that's it. You've successfully reset your MSN.com password. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.